our water ditch in El Paso. That's the guy who controls the water that comes in off the Rio Grande. I made a big deal out of it. I had 3 pecan trees, which got me an agricultural deferment. Let's see, small the chorus I don't think you can handle. It's weed cutters and leaf blowers, chainsaw rotors and lawnmower mowers. You got it? All right. I work right out of my own garage. I keep my own damn books. My wife's up there in the trailer house, mister. She's 46 and keeping her looks. Your lawnmower's needing its carburetor clean. Your air filter ain't sucking air. Leave it over yonder and call me in the morning. Small engine repair. Here we go. Weed cutters and leaf blowers, chainsaw rotors and lawnmower motors. One day turnaround prices are fair. Small engine repair. Pretty good. They couldn't do that in Iceland. I worked 12 years for the water department, ditch rider on an old white horse. Turn that wheel, you got irrigating water off the mouth of the mother source. Catfish heads and old wind-blown apples blowing across the cotton fields. Back when a farmer worked 12-hour days and lived off his yearly yield. There we go. Now it's weed cutters and leaf blowers, chainsaw rotors and lawnmower motors. One day turnaround prices are fair. Small engine repair. And if a man's life was like a lawnmower engine, I'd have done pretty good in my time. Change the oil and keep the carburetor clean and mow down all the problems in life. I was born right here on the edge of West Texas, a mile off the Rio Grande. Yeah, I've done time. I can see you staring at the skull on the back of my hand. Now time ain't nothing but a box of old parts on a busted up cement floor. And time ain't nothing but that muddy old river running out my back door. Here we go. Now it's weed cutters and leaf blowers, chainsaw rotors and lawnmower motors. One day turnaround prices are fair. Small engine repair. One day turnaround prices are fair. Small engine repair. Good job. Hold on, man. Art of a Bucking Horse. I wrote that with Paul Zarzinski. I don't quite remember that, but I would do it if I could do it. I may do The Sky Above, Mud Below. That's what I may do. I may do that one. I may do it. She'll smile on that one. Oh, that's a happy song. Thousands of people slitting their wrists in Bartonville. Or Highway 46, too. All right, I'll do them both.